Hi, my name is Tiernan, and this is the TSW tip of the week. This week, I'll be showing you how to sync up your audio to your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. When working on a film set, sometimes you will have to record audio on a separate recording device. When you do this, you'll have to sync up audio to video once you begin editing. Here are some ways you can easily sync up your audio using Adobe Premiere Pro. Syncing audio starts at the film site. Before every shot you record, make sure to have a clap at the beginning. This clap will act as a syncing point that will make syncing up your audio in Premiere Pro much easier. To manually sync audio to video, you will have to first merge the clips in the project panel. Select the video clip you want to merge, putting in and out points. You can only merge one video clip at a time. Shift or Control click on PC or Command click on Mac to additionally select the audio clips that you want to merge with the video, putting in and out points on the audio clip as well. Next, right-click on the selected clips and select Merge Clips from the pop-up menu. A window will appear that will let you choose the point of synchronization. You can sync the clips based on the in point, the out point, matching timecode, clip markers, or the audio clip itself. Click OK, and your merge clip will appear in the project panel. Another way to sync your audio is by clicking and dragging both your audio and video into place on the timeline, right-clicking, and then selecting the option Synchronize. This will take you to a window that will ask you how to sync your audio to your video. Once you make your selection and accept, Premiere Pro will automatically sync your audio to your video. And that's how you sync your video to your audio in Premiere Pro. For more tips on how to shoot and edit your videos, check out our other videos on our YouTube channel.